Parker here. Oh, wait. Hey guys, Parker here. Today, I do need to let you guys know about something. So, you know how Corona has been going around? Don't worry, I've got you guys right there. So, Blizzard, yeah? Would you like to do this? Sure. Alright, hold on. Don't worry, everybody. I'm here for you. If there's any problem, don't worry. You can come to me. Even if I've got a big belly. Check it. Don't worry. Everything will be okay. You just gotta know that I am here for you. And I'll be glad to help you. So, if we can have a good day, I'll be happy to help you. Thank you. And have a good day.